Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G200 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced and tap on Reset Options, and as you can see on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap. Here we've got the information that in this operation will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, so simply tap on Reset Settings. If you've got a pattern open, then enter to confirm the whole step, and here your device is asking you actually again because you cannot undo this action. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset Settings, and that's all. Here we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Motorola Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.